First, I'm going to create a layer so that we can show you how to position it in 3D space. So I'm going to create a simple layer just as I normally do, a container layer that's 400 by 400. I give it a radius of 200, so it will be a round red disk. You can see that if we drag the disk around in 2D, it changes the left and top parameters just as it normally does in the 2D MotionBook tool. However, we now have a third property which is called depth. So by changing the depth, we either push the layer away from us or we pull it towards us. If we make it more positive, we're going to push it away from us. And if we make it negative, we're going to pull it towards us. When we push it out, it gets smaller and shifts position a bit. Just so that we can see this a little bit better, let's create another couple of layers so that we can set them at different depths, and then we'll see how they move in relation to each other. So we just created another disk which is called Close, and we made it the same size, 400 by 400, and we called the red one Far because we pushed that away from us. And we're going to create one that's sort of in the middle. So this middle one will be at depth 0 from us. That's sort of the default in 2D space. In order to better visualize depth, use this Rotate Page widget at the top. So for instance, just take this middle slider and slide it around, and you can see when you rotate the page the relative depths of those three disks a bit more easily than if you were just looking straight on.